How to make garlic pesticide. Seen through the eyes of insects, the most peaceful garden in the world is a battleground for survival. All gardens attract plant-attacking insects, their predators and pollinators such as honeybees. When humans intervene with broad-spectrum chemical pesticides, bad and good insects alike pay with their lives. Before you launch an all-out attack on garden bugs, consider a less toxic approach: homemade garlic pesticide. How garlic pesticide works. The U.S. Environmental Protective Agency classifies garlic as a biochemical pesticide. In simple terms, this means garlic is a natural, non-toxic substance with no harmful environmental effects. Garlic simply repels insects with its pungent aroma. They avoid garlic-scented plants, going elsewhere to feed and lay their eggs. Making garlic pesticide. Garlic's bug-repelling properties won't eliminate an existing insect infestation. To transform garlic repellent into a non-toxic but lethal treatment for soft-bodied insect pests, make your own garlic and soap solution. Things you will need. Measuring spoons. Liquid Castile soap. Garlic powder. Light cooking oil such as corn or canola. Clean, 1 quart spray bottle never used for weed killer. Water. Step 1. Measure 1 generous tablespoon of the liquid soap, half tablespoon of the cooking oil and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder into the spray bottle. As a sticking agent, the oil helps the spray adhere to the plants. Step 2. Fill the bottle with water, cap it and shake it thoroughly to blend the ingredients. Step 3. Spray a few leaves on your target plants and wait 24 hours. Step 4. Check the spray leaves for burn spots. If the plants are sensitive, dilute the spray by replacing 1/2 of it with plain water. Tip. If your tap water is hard, use bottled water so soap scum doesn't form on the plants. This garlic pesticide only kills the insects it hits. For the best results, spray the plants until they drip and repeat after rainfall, or every 2 to 3 days, until the infestation subsides. Use the spray against aphids, scale insect larvae, spider mites, whiteflies, mealybugs, psyllids, Japanese beetles and box elder bugs. Warning. Although the garlic in the spray should repel friendly insects while the soap suffocates the unfriendly ones, don't take chances. Protect honeybees by spraying early in the morning or after sundown, when they aren't active. Even though the ingredients are non-toxic, consider wearing safety goggles while spraying so the soap doesn't irritate your eyes. Spray plants when it's calm to prevent the spray from getting in your eyes or on your skin. For more information on making organic pesticides, see how to make an organic pepper spray for plants, and how to make an orange oil pesticide.